immediately, but just down a little bit ways. And I don't know how many there are. I didn't count. I think there's like 6, but they are just amazing. I don't know. They're beautiful. It's rock face to me always has such energy coming off of it. Yes, I know it's a very hippie thing to say. And then this is like the rest stop on the trail, really the only one. So I feel like after this point, this trail just gets more isolated. And look, you can see the sun has just worn out this placard. There's a restroom, but today I chose to turn around here. So basically, after that rest stop, there's no more tunnels, and the trail continues to the Hoover Dam. But I've done this many times, and I can tell you, like, once you get past that rest stop, it is far less populated. And I'm solo. I'm kind of not in the mood to go all the way there by myself. So here I am by one of the tunnels to give you like some scale, and dancing, of course, because you should always be dancing. And how can I not when there's beautiful views? And I had my donut and I had a great time.